Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Cadillac Escalade Platinum. This one is spec'd to the moon, honestly. For example, rear seat entertainment, leather that is probably the softest leather I've ever felt. It is just gorgeous. Suede headliner. This one does have an exhaust on it. It might be part of the performance package that you could get on these, or it could be aftermarket, but it looks like a GM part. Cooler. Because why not? I think that's to cool these. Yep. Oh, that's for... Duh. Glove box, button right up here. Very, very nice leather. Even the front seats are just so comfortable. I don't know where... Might be shut off, that might be why. This is nice. This is really, really nice. Ugh. There it is. Got it. Bingo. Tow haul mode. Backup camera. Straight into drive. We'll take it for a spin. This one also has the virtual rear view mirror. And then you also have a wireless charger right here for your phone. Just listen to this thing. How do I shut? There, that's fine. Sync. There we go. Here's some air conditioning. It's a really, really nice vehicle though. Love the suede headliner. Yeah, it's a loud exhaust. These, I believe, did have the 6.2. At least it sounds exactly like a 6.2. Put it into low, you have manual mode, which creates, with this exhaust, some pretty good burbles. Put it into tow haul mode. it hauls. Wow. Put it into tour mode. Ride is instantly a lot smoother. Steering is a little bit lighter. See how it does over these bumps. Not bad. Overall, I'm a big fan of this. I mean, it's an Escalade, one of the best luxury SUVs out there. Oh, it's so pretty. That's what I thought. Felt like the 10 speed because the shifts are super smooth. Park it normal. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.